life! I repeat, ball is life!
What's going on, everybody? We're at Grand Street Park, actually our favorite park in all of America. And guess what? We cannot play basketball right now because of the aftermath of the 2016 snowpocalypse. Blizzard 2016, New York City was crazy. You cannot play basketball.
Ball is not life anymore. But let me say this, because ball is so life, we had to come here and organize an official snow shovel cleanup day at Grand Street Park. So what we did is that we posted on our Instagram that we were gonna be here at 3 p.m. to clean up this whole park so we could hoop here, and we invited our followers to come join us in this snow shovel cleanup day.
This is Grand Street Park Shovel Up. Get your shovel up game on.
Yo, shout out to you, bro, for bringing the shovel.
You brought the metal shovel.
Oh, yo. Yo, what's up, Tashi? Let me see the handle, folks, man. Oh, if you guys know, that's Tashi from the famous Chinatown OBJ Instagram video. ESPN.
Tashi, he didn't bring a shovel, but he brought the dance moves.
It's real out here.
They're applying the laws of physics, man. What is this? Shout out to Neil deGrasse Tyson.
We're not from New York, and we were not prepared for the snowstorm because we do not have any actual cold gear on, man. We just wore our sneakers, got some freeze on, some wheat foam posits.
Yo, the wheat foams is built for this, though.
Got some KD7s on. ID KD7. Oh, and then we got some Air Max 1s on from Will.
So I wish I could stay longer, but I'm late for class right now, so I gotta go.
Okay,
Great meeting you.
Thanks for coming out.
Yeah.
Shovel up.
Yo, we're shoveling one of the most important parts, sacred parts of the court to me, the three-point line. Because if anybody's played ball with me, you guys know I'm J.R. Smith out there, so this is why this area is extra important. We gotta get it extra clean. Thank you so much for helping us clean up the court. You guys are doing a great service to you guys' community, whether you guys are from this community or not. We wanted to reward you guys for coming out today. So we have a raffle and we have some really cool prizes. These are the LeBron 13 IDs.
88, you know, Chinese pride.
Good fortune. Good fortune.
Call these the Happy New Year's.
I call these the Sunning Fire Locks.
301013.
Oh!
Yeah.
What shoe size you wear? You 9.5? Well, guess what? These are a 10 and they fit snow. Bro, what if you put them on right now? Whoa! What if you did?
Put them on.
Dang!
Yeah! There it is. There it is.
We're not gonna leave anybody without a prize. For everybody else, we got brand new basketballs. And what better way to celebrate than being able to play basketball on the court that you just helped shovel?
Looking good, looking good, looking good. I told you, it's not easy.
Open up with the old one. Steph Curry!
Oh!
Gave it to Steph Curry. 2-5. Oh! Oh! That is it for the Grand Street cleanup. It was a lot of hard work from a lot of different people. Shout out to everybody who showed up and volunteered.
And wanted to shovel snow. That's not something fun. This was not some meetup. This was not a basketball game. This was shoveling snow.
If you see some change you want to see in your community, whether it's small, medium, or large, just go ahead and take the action.
Yeah.
It may not work out perfectly, but the most important thing is you get that ball rolling.
Yo, you guys are about to be sore tomorrow morning. I'm pretty sore, man.
I got a few.
I think I already hurt my back, man. I'm like grandpa up in there.
Let us know in the comment section below what are some other videos you'd like to see us do in New York, as well as what are some community projects that you can do in your local area.
Woo! Until next time, we out.
Peace.